Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door handle screw on your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a 1/8 inch hex bit, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So on our door handle, behind each handle, you've got two screws that hold it on. So you can see right here, I'm wiggling this one and it's pretty tight. This one though, for some reason, maybe a bad screw, is a little bit loose. We've got two screws, one on the bottom and one at the top. And these screws hold the handle in place on the mounting screw. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen these screws up. And once you've got both of those screws loosened up a bit, the handle should pop right off. So this is the screw we're going to be replacing, and in order to get it off, we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver in order to take it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door handle screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we're just going to screw this into place. And once that's on there nice and tight, you can get your door handle and put that on top of those two screws. And keep in mind, when you do this, these smaller tightening screws are going to be on the inside, so it's going to be closer to the other handle and it's not going to be facing the outside of the fridge there. Just a little cosmetic thing. And now we'll tighten up these screws and secure the door handle in place. Now we can close the refrigerator door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.